2015 Dodge Charger Hemi. Hemi. I love Hemis. They always sound really good. Stock converters there and there. Then they got a factory X pipe. They all come 2 1/4. Then what we did is put some Flowmaster Super 10s, 2.5 inch inlet, 2.5 inch outlet. If you guys want them, there's a link in the description. Then we continued and removed the rear mufflers or resonators. Everybody wants to call them differently, so I'll say both. Right there and right there. There's the Flowmaster Super 10s. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Dodge RT 2015. There you go. That's how you guys do it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the sound. Oh, music to my ears. Those Hemis never disappoint. Go ahead. 105 on the sound decibels, bro. That sounds good. You like it?
Oh yeah.
That just screams beast. They never disappoint, man. They always sound so good. So you're gonna put a tune on it next?
What?
A tune?
Probably not.
No.
Just think about doing an intake.
Yeah, do the cold air intake on it. You'll open it up, let it breathe even more. Go ahead. Let you guys hear on the inside. And as you guys know by now, blue's my favorite color. So I like this car. It's my favorite color. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. Let's see. '15 Chrysler 300 Hemi. Got factory converters there and there. 2 1/4 piping. Factory X pipe. Then we did a resonator delete right there and right there. And the muffler delete there and there. That's how you guys get them deleted. There it is, 300S by Chrysler 2015. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That sounds good. Yep. Sound decibels again. The peak was like 113. That sounds mean. 5.7L. 2013 Chrysler 300M, or S actually, sorry. Chrysler 300S. It's got factory catalytic converters, factory X-pipe, and we did a mid muffler delete right there. And left the rear resonators or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. Like that. You just wanted a little bit of noise, not a lot. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Dodge Charger. Absolutely. It's got a Hemi. Hemi. It's got the stock converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X-pipe. And we put Flowmaster FX there and there. And did a rear resonator delete there and there. This is everything that we cut off. We don't like mufflers here and resonators. We have to cut them off. They sound like, crap. There it is. That's what it looks like. RT. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. That's a decibel meter right there. You want it louder? Go ahead again. About 103, 105. And it'll still break in. It'll get a little bit louder in about 30 days when that packing packs down more in the FX mode. Those Flowmaster FX never disappoint. All right. You want those effects?